like
I know.
a cup of tea?
No, I don't want a tea. But bring me on tea. Sorry, thank you.
Say you're pretty from your bond. Walk out, tell you not try hard. Them girls, they're not pretty in a real life. You're pretty from the grandma, you're pretty in a real life. Your body look good, sit right.
Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Wagwan, how is it going on today? You see my friend right here, don't it? Just smile. Face smile. Look. So I'm gonna do some unboxing and some things that I get from eBay that I don't even remember ordering, so I don't even know what is in the package them. And she also have a package as well, a new package that she got, and she's gonna do an unboxing. So let's get right into it. So I guess I'm gonna make sure do for your one first. Yeah, you want to do your one first? Yeah. So first thing, what did you buy? Did you remember?
Yeah, I actually never buy anything online because I'm just not an online person. I like to go to the store and touch and feel, but this time I actually bought this online because I couldn't find the particular one here in the shops in Calgary. So I bought something called a menstrual cup. Have you heard of that before?
Yeah, I heard about the Diva cup. I think the Diva is a brando for and I guess the rest of them just call a different cup entirely.
Okay.
But yeah, I've heard about it, never tried it. I was thinking of trying it, but I hear positive, negative, right? But
what do you feel? What's your view? Like, you think?
I'll say if you're not, like, for everybody menstrual is different. Some people are more insecure about certain things because some people are more like, oh no, I don't want to touch down there, you know, just get it over with, and you know. But if you have no problem with that, I don't really, then you won't be a problem using it because sometimes probably can get messy with putting in and taking out, and TMI, that's a lot of information, but yes. So I guess that's my thought on it. If you're okay with your body down there, then you're good. We're all good, right? So yeah, it's supposed to be good though.
So this is what I got. I bought it on Amazon, and I was gonna buy it from their actual website, but Amazon was a little bit cheaper with the shipping. And so it came not through Amazon. They didn't leave it on my porch though. They actually left it in the mailbox with a little key to open it. So here it is, and let's just see what's in it.
Alright, let's hear it. Look, how much was it when you bought it?
It was $40.
Hold on, wait a minute. 40.
Remember these, the puppy things? I love them.
Like, hold on, get back to the price.
Sorry.
You mean you paid $40 for it?
No, it was like $48 plus shipping and handling. It was like $70 altogether.
No sir.
So
I need to teach you how to shop.
No,
I need to teach you how to shop.
It's true.
Right? And then you can't return that, you know.
I know you can. It's like final sale, stamped, sealed and delivered.
Me tell you about that. Me tell you. Me need to put her in a video and teach her how to shop with certain things.
Okay, so here it is. It came in a regular little brown box, and then it came like wrapped in that special stuff you can save for labor to, like, you know, have fun.
Yeah, well that's good. You know, a little layer of it. And that's it. Look, just one piece come into it?
This is what it came in. Just one piece.
For $40?
One piece.
You're crazy people.
One piece.
Nah, you know me already. So that's why, look, let's see if we can focus this for you guys.
Ding ding ding.
I know why that's up in our focus, you know. Alright, so that's how it look.
Yeah,
that's how it look.
Yeah, and I bought this myself. They didn't. What's that thing, like free sample? It wasn't a free sample. I bought it.
Oh, it's not a free. So she's not sponsored. That's what she's trying to say. She's not sponsored. She bought it with her own $40
plus shipping and handling. Plus that was US dollars.
That's how much Canadian? Probably just rough it off at $60 Canadian dollars.
Okay, so sorry guys. So it's called the Femi Cycle Cup, and it's also so I think I bought the regular. There's low cervix, teen, and regular. I bought the regular, and you could read the back online. But what should I say? A Femi Cup is a receptacle placed in the vaginal area to collect blood and cellular debris that is extruded from the uterus via the cervix during menstruation. So this is it. So pretty much, if you know about menstrual cups, you could do your own online research.
There's a bunch of video on YouTube about it.
I want to see what it look like.
Really stuck in there. It's a small little thing, you know.
This is it.
That's it?
That's it.
For $40?
That's it.
Oh my gosh.
But it's cool because I guess it's like leak proof.
Yeah, that's what I heard about it, man. It's leak proof. Yeah. I'm like, oh,
it's different.
Like, I used to wonder, all that work. Like, and then I think you're supposed to fold it and think about jig and put it. Oh my gosh, this feel hard, man. This feel hard.
It actually feels softer than the Diva cup.
Oh, really?
I bought the Diva cup because I was
did?
curious. Yeah,
Oh,
but then
okay.
it was like way too. So I didn't trust it. But then I saw this, and it said it was like leak proof, and so it has this little device that collects the flow, and then I guess it can't come out.
With this one, how long you supposed to change it? How often?
Every 12 hours.
Okay, this one is
That's what I know.
12 hours.
Hey guys, what do you think? So this is it. This is the FemiCycle cup. I'm very happy that I'm just curious. I've always used pads, and I just want to try something different. And
I know. I always use pads. I don't like tampons.
I know. Who uses that?
Man. I tried the last time and I couldn't even. We're sitting now. I couldn't even do that.
Really?
Like, maybe it was too big for me, man. But
like extra strength or extra large or something.
I don't know.
So this is it, guys.
It looks neat. It looks no doubt.
Yeah, right.
It's small. I don't know if it's like too small, but I guess. And they said 12 hours.
But this is an empty area. Like it's not. I don't know how to.
I know, but the amount of TMI. Cause this video gonna be a total one from my thing, you know, because it's a lot of TMI business, right? But this. I like that with the Diva cup you can measure how much thing they letting out and stuff. But this is small.
Is it small?
And
I thought it was huge. It looks huge.
No, like the amount where you would collect, right? It's small. Right, so I'm saying, okay, well, if it's this small, then when you say within 12 hours, I don't know if you would try to keep it in for 12 hours.
I don't think I should keep it in for 12 hours, but there's all this information that comes with it. I'm going to go back and read all of that. And I guess we'll do another video next cycle.
We'll do another video. This is our unboxing video. We'll do another review video and she'll tell her if she don't like it or not, even though she can't carry it back.
Yeah, you can't carry it back indeed.
She can't send it back, so
this is it. Yeah. Sorry this is my first unboxing, so I'm not quite sure.
She's fine. We're trying to keep it real on this channel.
It's a lot of information.
Yeah, and I like that they give you a lot of picture information too. It's not just words and I wonder, but they didn't even show me.
Relax. Use this. So and they send a coupon for V Fresh.
So you're supposed to order one or give you half price? Or they might tell you to order tampon?
No, this is something else. What is this? V Fresh 100% natural vaginal health care. Helps prevent common vaginal infection. Reduces bacterial. I don't even know what this is.
It's like some kind of probably cleansing cream or thing. So you do know that because since I've researched it, you're supposed to know. Cleansing in between when you're using it. Yeah. Obviously before, everybody know that.
You have to wash it. Before. You have to boil it.
Yeah. Just like how you would give babies pacifier or nipple bottles, you wash, you boil it and stuff like that, right?
Okay.
But in between care, I think you have to boil it as well. Or but I know which part you are going to come here.
I'm on the microwave. Don't put the microwave.
Get a special. Get a special cup or
a special
little thing for that.
A special pot,
right? And
don't be like, hey, my pasta pot.
No, some of these people nasty. Some of these people. No, somebody's just thinking about it, man.
It's true. People will just be like, whatever pot.
I know.
Have a separate pot before you boil your device.
To cleanse.
Don't be dirty. Don't be that girl.
Yeah, I know. And you're not. People go out in the yard and don't even know. Would you like a cup of tea?
No, I don't want a tea. Bring me on tea. Sorry, thank you.
No. Here, only a cup.
Thank you.
Cup.
Thanks, guys. What'd you get? What'd you get, girl?
Walk out, tell you not try hard.